Bella, always a pleasure, Queen. Buenos dias, familia. Israel Torres with Orlando Carnival Downtown and Caribbean American Passport News, and we're here to tell you about something new going on in our city right now. Orlando Shakes is holding a play that I could honestly say, as a Latino, I'm dying to see.
Okay, well, I want to hear a little bit more about it. I've been seeing some things online. I know it's called, what is it?
Anna and the Tropics.
Anna and the Tropics. Yep. And you said it's going to be at Orlando Shakes?
Orlando Shakes, our very own city, producing a lot of great plays. This one being Anna and the Tropics, about the Cuban wave that hit Tampa Bay. Not even Miami-Dade, you hear me? Tampa Bay. I know a lot of y'all are stuck on Scarface and that whole movie with the criminal wave, but we're talking about lectors, cigar rollers, family members that were migrating to Florida back in 1920 something. Like we're talking about the early 1900s. And Pulitzer Prize-winning Nilo Cruz is behind it. Not only that, the director too, Nick. A huge salute to you. I can't wait to see what y'all did. From what I heard, it's amazing. I myself got to experience it. Me being Boricua, not far away from the island, Puerto Rican, but straight from El Caribe, regardless. And her being from Panama still affects her too, because it's the Latin community. So the culture behind it, I mean, the heritage and everything, it's just something I guess we get to experience when we watch it. We're gonna learn about it. I didn't know about Tampa Cubans. I knew more about the Miami wave, and I knew other places, but Tampa got a rich history, and I'm gonna go watch it and enjoy it for sure. What do you think?
Well, it's funny you say that because it is interesting. When you live in Orlando for so long, you just see a lot of Puerto Rican, a lot of Haitian people, obviously the Americans. When you go to Miami, you kind of tend to see the same. So when you finally see that there is another culture that's like me, Panamanian, there's Panamanians in Tampa. Who would have thought? At least I didn't know that. But same thing with Cubans, and the fact that there's actually a history behind what brought them there is amazing because, you know, we all of our ancestors came with a story. And it is really our responsibility as American, second generation Americans, or from wherever we're coming from, whether Panama, wherever, to keep telling those stories, keep those memories alive, keep that culture alive. So it's pretty amazing that they were able to come up with this so that we can all educate ourselves and maybe we can also learn something from this. So I highly, highly hope that you guys take time. Maybe come with us when we go watch.
Yeah, me myself personally, I'm excited about it. Like I said, it's going to be a great experience for me to see something I'm learning about, you know, in the process. You know, me myself, I've indulged in my own history, you know, being a Boricua, a Puerto Rican, but to actually be able to experience, like you said, other Latin cultures, and as she was saying, the way we're supposed to be spreading our culture and our heritage, just like this, and through these plays, this amazing play. This is what the lectors were doing in those days. That's what we're talking about. There was lectors there, and these cigar rolling factories that were telling history, telling stories, you know, keeping people positive. Even though, from what I heard, I might find it a little entertaining because it even involves murder. So I want to see how that intertwines, but I'm pretty sure I could figure it out because there's romance involved.
Oh, I like
you know how Latinos are, novelas.
Like a good romance.
But this is a true life story. And to tell you about it, you'd have to go watch it. And then we could talk in person. Give me your input. Me, myself personally, I'm excited to view it.
As a matter of fact, if you guys already got the chance to see it, by the time you watch this, let us know what you felt about it in the comments.
Let us know. Like the comments, drop comments. Let us know how amazing the work was. Orlando Shakes. It's not the first play that they've done, but this one I'm excited about very much. Again, signing out from Cap Village, Israel Torres.
And Bella.
Hey,
ciao. Bye.
I'm about to enjoy this. You hear me? Again, it was always a pleasure, Queen.
Bye.